Hello student. Now I am explaining question number 29, that is write a program to find the sum of series a by 2 plus a by 3 plus a by 4 till n term. Till n term. Student, in this program we have to input two value. First value is for n, for a, and second is for n. So for that we have to import scanner. We have to create the scanner object. We will enter value of a, that is stored in a, and we have to enter number of terms that is stored in n, because we have to print the sum of series till n number of terms. Student, we will call a function sum of series. We will call a function sum of series by passing a value a and n. We will pass two values, that is a and n, and this time sum of series will return a value in a fraction, because this is a fraction, a by 2, a by 3, a by 4, it is a fraction, so the value will comes out in decimal. So this time the value returned by the function sum of series will store in a variable s, and it is declared as double type, because this time sum of series function will return value in decimal. So we will calculate the sum of series using the function sum of series by passing a and n. A is this value is a, and n is the number of terms. The sum is stored in variable s, and we will print the sum of series equal to s. This way sum will be printed. Then what happens? How we will calculate the sum of series? It is explained in this function sum of series. Okay. So in function sum of series, the a will be stored in a1 and the n will be stored in n1. Okay. Suppose take n equal to 5. Therefore, n1 equal to also 5 because n is transferred to n1. And suppose if we will take a equal to 2, therefore a1 equal to also 2 because the value of a is transferred to a1. Okay. Now see, the I starts from 2 because here it is 2. The sum is started from 2. That's why it is 2. We have started I from 2. Okay. Now see, I equal to 2. I equal to 2. I less than equal to n1 plus 1. Why n1 plus 1? Why n1 plus 1? Because series is started from 2, and suppose if we will take n equal to 5, this means we have to print the total 5 number of terms. So 5 number of terms fall in a by 5 plus a by 6 till here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th term, and for 5th term we have to move up to 6. That's why n1 plus 1. Okay. So 2 less than equal to n1 plus 1, that is 6. Condition is true. Inside the loop, term equal to a by I. A by I, and the value of a is 2 and value of I is 2. So term equal to a by I. Now I use a into 1.0. Why? Because student, remember one theory, that is, if you will divide an integer by another integer, the result is also comes out as integer. This I have explained in theory class. Okay. So student, a is also integer and I is also integer. So integer by integer, results will come out in integer. But here result may come in fraction, means result may come in decimal value. Therefore, we need to convert any one, either this operand or this operand, any one operand into a fraction. So better you can convert a into fraction by multiplying it 1.0. So the value of a is 2, it becomes 2 into 1.0 is 2.0 by 2. This way, this is term 1 will be calculated. Now sum equal to sum plus term. The value of sum is 0. 0 plus 2.2 by 0, 2.0 by 2. So this term is stored in variable sum. Again I plus plus I equal to 3, 3 less than equal to 6, condition is true. Control move inside the loop. Term equal to a into 1.0, that is 2.0 by I plus plus I equal to 3, so 2.0 by 3. Sum equal to sum plus term. Sum is 0 plus 2.0 by 2 plus this time 2.0 by 3, 2.0 by 3. So this way sum will be calculated. One more time, take I equal to 4, 4 less than equal to 6, condition is true. Term equal to a into 0, 1.0 by I, so 2.0 by 4. Now sum equal to 0 plus 2.0 by 2 plus 2.0 by 3 plus 2.0 by 4. So this way we will calculate the sum. After completing this loop, means when I equals to n plus 1, when this loop completely run, we have calculated the sum in the variable sum, and this function will return the value sum to the caller function, that is display, and here we will print it. So student, this way this sum will be calculated. Student, I explained question number 28 and 29. So I hope you tried some more question at home. Go through the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that I will upload some more videos. Thank you.